Hey guys, welcome back to my video. I'm sorry that my hair is a mess. I just woke up. So today I'll be showing you guys. So if you guys watched yesterday's video, I showed you guys my 3 squishies. So now today I'll be showing you guys how to make a paper squishy, which I made a paper squishy last night. I could not laminate it. If you guys don't know what like laminate means, it means like you gotta put tape. It has to be like clear tape on it. So yeah. Can't laminate it, but I still call it a squishy. It's like a little rainbow. So now I'll be showing you guys how to make a squishy. Sorry, my desk is a big mess. I have my report card on my desk. Okay, so let me go get. So the things that you will need is a sheet of paper. It can be like clear white paper, but since I don't like have white paper, I have like I have paper, but like I don't have like. If you get what I mean, then I have like this kind of paper, with the lines and stuff. So yeah, and then what you would else want to do? This is one thing that I do recommend you guys to do. So if you like always see like this line, like so you can take off like these things, yeah. I would recommend you take them off, but I mean you don't have to if you don't want to. But you can cut them or you can just take it off. But I recommend taking it off. But I'm just gonna cut it so that it goes faster. Okay, so here's the paper, and then what you're gonna do is fold it. I guess people say like a little taco or like a hot dog. Okay, so I'm gonna fold it like this, and as you can see, it's folded like that. Okay, so you're gonna fold it like this, and then what you're gonna do? Oh my god, this is a big mess, you guys. I'm so sorry for this big mess. Okay, so you can draw a face, but I'm not. But I am gonna draw a face on this one. I'm just gonna do a little easy little heart, so that this process can go faster for you guys to watch me. So you guys don't have to like take a billion thousand hours to watch me do this. So I'm just gonna do maybe like a bunch of hearts. I'm not sure. Okay, now I'm gonna color it in because I want to. You guys don't have to, like I always say. Okay. Okay, I'm trying to hurry up. Because I have to do some things. I gotta get dressed. Because we have a baptism to go to, you guys. So yeah, I just want to post this video right now because we have a baptism to go to. Okay, so, and then you are going to need a glue stick or, as I said, clear tape. But I'll be using glue stick because, like I said, I don't have no clear tape right now. Okay. So, then you can glue it on whatever side you want. I'm going to glue it on this side. Okay. And then, okay. Well, this is not turning out good. Okay. I get this paper. You're trying to ruin my day. I'm just kidding. Okay, so now what you're going to do, you're going to want to, if you do not have stuffing, I would recommend you do this. So if you do have tissues, like, just take like a little like a pile of them, and then you're going to fold them like this. And all you're going to do is just cut it. Or my basics. Okay, so I'm going to try to hurry up this process. Like I said, you guys, I'm trying to hurry up. Because I got to get dressed like I just said. It's really easier using like big scissors like this. It's not like kid scissors. It's not like that easy. But if you are a kid and you have big scissors, I'd recommend you ask your mom or dad, to be safe. But I always use these scissors because my mom, she says yes. So yeah. Now I don't really have to ask her because I've asked her a billion times, and she keeps on saying yes. Okay, so make sure to not do the side that is glued, you guys. Oh yeah, you guys are gonna want to glue this side too. I forgot to tell you guys that. I'm gonna go on the other desk. Okay. Oh no. Okay. So now since that side is glued, I will be putting in the stuffing. Okay, so now you're just gonna want to put it in. Put it in, put it in, put it in. Right now, I'm gonna start making paper squishies a lot on my channel, I think. I'll think about this, you guys, but I might start making paper squishies a lot, doing different designs on paper squishies, Okay. So, yeah. Oh no, this is not good. Okay. Okay, so now, I'm just stuffing it in. Okay, so now I'm going to grab another big pile because I used that big pile already. So, yeah. Cut another pile if yours does not fit. If you guys want to, you guys can make a tiny squishy, but I'm just making a big squishy because I really feel like it. So, yeah. You gotta make a big squishy. Okay, so now you're gonna want to put all that stuffing in there again. Put the stuffing in there. Put the stuffing in there. Put the stuffing in there. Okay, so now, you know what? Since I have to cut another one because my squishy is really big. Yeah, I gotta keep on cutting.
Oh shit! That mission derby.
Okay.
That mission derby. It's a derby.
Oh my god. Okay, yeah. I have no idea what I'm gonna be wearing today.
Take your gun out. Skip, pop, pop.
Now you're gonna wanna put that back in there. Put the stuffing in there. Put the stuffing in there. Hey. Put the stuffing in there. Okay, so I've been seeing this thing go around on YouTube. It's called My Instagram Followers Control My Life, but I don't have Instagram, guys, because I'm way too young for Instagram. For real, you guys. I don't really want Instagram when I grow up. I mean, I might have Instagram when I grow up, but yeah. I just think, Instagram is cool and not cool at the same time. That's what I think. If you guys don't think that, then that's okay. But that's what I think. I just think that Instagram is cool and not cool at the same time. That's what I think, you guys. You guys, comment if you guys have, Instagram. Because I do not have Instagram, which I'm so sorry. But I have Musically. And I also have Snapchat. But yeah.
Oh shit.
Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. I meant to say oh my gosh. How dare I say that? Why is this so frustrating? I did one of these yesterday. It shouldn't be that frustrating. Okay, so you guys, it's getting worse. Okay, it's getting better. Okay, now there, guys. This is how my paper squishy looks. This is my paper squishy. Oh my god, I forgot that this is the side that just won't stay glued, that I'm trying my best to glue it. Okay. Jesus, please help me. I really need help. Okay, so now I think this is better. Nope, it's not better. Okay, now I'm gonna fix this. But bye, guys. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I love you.